So here we have the Morse code project with the Arduino powered on and the circuit with a 220 ohm resistor wired to the LED to regulate power. And then we have our line here that goes to pin 13 of the Arduino to trigger it for the Morse code sequence. And if we come over to the code, I have a mapping of all the letters and numbers for the Morse code standard as defined in the project spec. And these are captured in the round robin loop, which waits for characters to transmit, and then will exit on a Control-Z signal. And here I have a Minicom console that will capture that Control-Z as the regular Arduino serial interface doesn't capture it. So before I just ran a test, and it will print out the Morse code sequence along with the string that was transmitted. So we'll go ahead and do another test. We'll print out the word houses. So now it'll start. So it's completed. Now we'll come back to see what it printed and then compare that to the spec. So let's see, for H, we had 4 dots. Then for O, we have 3 dashes. And likewise for the rest of the sequence. So U, I have up here, dot, dot, dash. S, E, and then finally S again. So to confirm correctness, we're gonna do a little bit of hand translation for the string test by watching the LED flash, and we'll write it down. So we're gonna write down here, and here's LED. So what I interpreted was dash, dot, 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 dash. So that matches up to what we think we transmitted. And then to pull up the spec, looks like we got T, then we got 1 dot, which should be E, triple dot, which is S, and then T again. So that works out to be test. And here's a little demonstration of the Control-Z exit. So Control-Z, it received the signal, and now it has stopped.